welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox Foreo Luna 3. That is a complete and anti-aging regulation which I have come across, and it is going to be very beneficial to all you over there. So I'm going to unbox it. I received this as a gift from my husband and it is very beautiful. So you can use it, it is very effortless, you can take it, carry it anywhere. So I'm going to unbox it right away. So it has a barcode sticker, so you need to just take it out. So this is the device, Foreo Luna 3. It has a power button, it has a power point over here. So I'll discuss the operating of the device, which is an app-based working device which has to be linked to the app and it works on it. There are some accessories which I received along with the Luna 3. So I received this Foreo Luna serum, which you need to use it while using the massaging mode. This will do it later on. And you have a cable charger which you use it to charge the Foreo Luna 3. So the Foreo Luna 3 basically has T-sonic wave pulsations, the T-sonic sound waves, which helps to clean the pores. So basically, how does Luna Foreo 3 works? So here's the catalog. So first you need to register and unlock your device using the app. So you need to download Foreo Luna 3. So you need to download the app. So basically this is the Foreo app. So once you have, so basically how does Foreo Luna 3 works? So there's an app, inbuilt app, which you need to download it from the App Store. So this will help you to connect your device to the app and register your device once you purchase it very immediately. So once you purchase it, you need to register it using this Foreo app. So now I have registered my device in the Foreo app. So my Luna 3 is already registered. So once you log in into your device, it will automatically get started, or if you want to operate it manually, you can operate it manually by pressing the button behind it for 5 seconds. So I'm going to tell you the properties of the Luna Foreo 3. So it has softer and longer touch points. So this longer touch point, and you can see this longer touch points, and the bristles are very soft. So this will give you 30% longer and deeper cleans and 25% softer and a gentle cleans compared to your Luna 2. So this will give you a very gentle cleans. So it works on the principle of T-sonic waves. The T-sonics means the transdermal waves. The transdermal waves generally goes into your skin and cleans the oil, excessive serum, sebum, or any makeup residual, sweat, dirt, impurities. Basically these waves are directed transdermally into your skin, and it helps to eliminate the dirt and giving you a very flawless skin. So it requires a charge, and it can serve you 650 times. Can you believe it? 650 times. You can use your Luna 3 650 times per charge. The T-sonic waves gives you around 8,000 pulsations per minute. So within a minute, you're going to get a completely clean. So The sonic waves. What are the sonic waves? Sonic waves are directed sound waves which are directly directed into your skin. So this vibration causes the sonic waves to go into your skin, vibrate it out and remove the dirt using this bristles which are very long and softer. So it will like help you to access out all the sebum, secretions, dirt, makeup residual and give you a cleanse and a gentle clean. So it gives around 8,000 pulsations per minute. So within a minute you're gonna get a complete and a clean face with a glow. So the hair of the Lumia Foreo 3 is made up of silicone, and this full thing is very hygienic. It is easy to wash. It is waterproof, so you can use it while having a shower. You can take it to the gym or anywhere when you need a quick cleanse. So you can take your Foreo Luna 3 wherever you want and you can just have a awesome clean. So it has a firm massaging technique. The back portion of the Luna 3 is a hard surface, not so hard, it's quietly a harder surface. So this is basically used to contour your skin. So you need to give a massage of 2 minutes to firm the lines, the wrinkle lines and the fine lines below your eyes. And for the cheekbones you need to give it a 2-minute massage. And if you want to firm up your jaw lines and all, so if you wish to have a perfect jawline, so you need to give it a massage for about 4 minutes. So this works completely and tremendously if you use the Foreo serum. So the Foreo serum, after applying, you should give a massage. So this vibration helps the skin to enhance the serum. Okay. The beautiful thing about this technology is that it has a customized power of 16 intensities. So based upon your skin type and your unique skin tone, you can choose your intensity. So you can increase the intensity. So okay. So the intensities, so you can select the intensities according to your skin type. So I generally prefer a number 14 intensity, so it gives a quick and convenient cleanse, and you can set the timer. So if you require it for a period of 1 minute, you can keep it for 60 seconds or you can keep it for 120 seconds based upon your preferences. So once your device is connected to the app, it gives a blue light, purple blue light. So this indicates that your device has been active using the app. So if you want to use it manually, you can just press it for 5 seconds and your device will be active. The app, so I've already downloaded it for your app. So you need to connect the app to the device. So I have registered my device to the app. So my Foreo product. So I have my Luna 3 already registered. So the features of the app is, let's go and see. So it's already started. It's vibrating. I'm actually going to show you how actually the Foreo Luna 3 works, and it works tremendous. You should see this. So I'm going to actually show you how this works. Dampen your face. Slightly dampens the Luna Foreo 3. So I have dampened it. If you want to use your cleaning agent, you need to apply it over the brush. So you can just press it over here behind. So I have stuck my Luna Foreo 3. I have set it for a period of 1 minute. So I'm doing my forehead. So automatically when my forehead will be done, this light will blink. So this blinking light means you need to proceed. to the next area of the face. You have seen the blinking light? This spider brush gives you to cover the larger area of your cheek, your face, and even your eyes. See? The blinking light means you need to proceed to the next area of the face. So this way, in this four manner, the entire portion of your face is covered and gives you easy claims. So device stops automatically based upon what time you have set. So simultaneously, if you want to massage your face, you need to use the back portion of the brush and regulate the time and intensities at the same level. So this is the cleaner portion, like the cleaning which the Luna Foreo 3 has provided, and the skin feels very soft and it is really very beautiful, and the cleaning is very effective. So this is lovely and this is just tremendous. So what you need to do is to get your Luna 3 and use it wherever you want. This is completely a lifelong investment and everybody must purchase it. So you can go on Foreo Luna 3 website and buy your product. If you're new to my channel, subscribe it. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, comment and share. Thanks for watching.